Hey y'all! Okay, so I'm just uploading videos like crazy today. Right now I wanted to do a unboxing, and I went ahead and took it out of the big box because y'all don't want to see that. But this is pretty, the way they boxed this. And it's Guerlain. See the pretty sparkledy bow? I'm trying to think what I could use that for. When they put their name on it, you can't really use it for repurpose it for you know, putting it on a pretty package. But it is a pretty package. I can't figure out how to open it though. Oh, it's probably one of these magnets on the end. It is. Oh no, there's just a little tab. But it is very pretty and elegant looking white, and it's got this bumpy texture. And the Guerlain B and Paris on it. And then it's very pretty inside. This is all for one eye palette that I like. I hope I'm going to like it as much. Oh, look, this is very pretty opening experience. So it's got the palette here and a little, oh, this must be my little samples. Let's look at that first. Y'all have to look at the samples first, y'all. I know you're like, no, I want to see the palette. That is really pretty. And I save these little things to put stuff in my purse, especially if I'm traveling. I will put like jewelry in this when I'm traveling. So I never get rid of these. Sometimes I will send them to y'all when I'm doing a giveaway. Oh, yes. So this is the Advanced Youth Watery Oil Replump Smooths and Illuminates. I will let y'all know about these products because I purposely got these this time to see, are they worth the hype, because these are very expensive items in the full size. This is the Abil Royale, or the Double R Renew and Repair Serum. Gonna try that out. And then my nose is itching like crazy. I wonder what that was. Anyway, and this is Basic Mandarin Aqua Allegrua. Oh, this is one of their perfume samples, and their perfumes are really expensive, y'all. Let me smell it. I'll tell you what I think. Okay, that smells like a grapefruit, or a mandarin orange, I guess is what it's supposed to be. It's very citrusy. That's not typically my thing. I may say that as a little sample giveaway. Yeah, citrus is not typically, I'm more floral, I think, is my thing. Alright, so here is the Haute Couture Ligne Tenue Ombre à Paupières pour 4 couleurs effet. I'm not going to try this. Ombre. It's all in French, y'all. Oh, it's on the back. It's in English. Eyeshadow Quad, multi-effect, high color, and long wear. This is $9.40 is the number, and it's called Royal Jungle. What does that imply to you? Some warm tones. Of course, it's got its little velvet cover. These little velvet covers are for people who put this in their purse and they don't want it to get scratched up. I think you're crazy to put an expensive makeup palette in your purse because it's going to get knocked around, and so it's going to, all that cake in there is going to turn into crumbs. So it's very pretty, gold with the Guerlain right here, and yeah, you just pull up from there. Yes, this is such a basic quad, y'all, but I liked it. What do you think? Oops, sorry, let me do it from upside down. It's got the two little brushes. Okay, we're just going to let those fall on the floor like they want to. And matter of fact, let's just go ahead and take the plastic off so it'll quit shining, and you can see the actual colors. What do you think of that? I mean, they're just so basic, but I just liked it. Alright, so let's just see how they look. Alright, so this must be a shimmer on top because it has no, it's very translucent. It has no opacity to it. Like I can see my fingerprint through that. Let's see if this is the same. That's a little more sateen. Let's see about this. Coppery brown. That's definitely more opaque, as you can see as we keep going. And then here, I bet this is very pigmented and opaque, because you can also double that as a liner for your brow and your eye, both above and below your eye you could use. So if I were to, let's see, we'll put that like this, then this, then this, then this. And that would be the effect that you're going to get. What do you think, y'all? I think I'm going to like it. I just feel like it is a very basic palette. It's got highlight. Where do you want the highlight? Well, I'll tell you where. I know people never do this, but I do. Even once I got my makeup done, yes, I'm going to actually put this over it. It's very sparkly. So I'll put that on the brow in the inner corner. Does it change that? Yes, it does. Okay. Let's look at the gold. Put that on the lid. I'm going to have to do that over here now because I had pink. The little gold on top of the pink. Looks good. And let's go ahead and put this back up here that's more sparkly. Right there. What do y'all think? And then last but not least, this brown. Let's go ahead and put it right there, that outer brown color, and just kind of blend it in. Looks good. I would say this is definitely a keeper. Now, it's Guerlain. Is it expensive? Yes. I don't remember, but I will link it below. Yes, it's definitely more expensive. Is it worth it? I can tell you this definitely has a different blendability, and that does have to do with being highly pigmented, and it has a, it's probably more finely milled, to be honest, than your regular. And I'm not saying that you can't get a Maybelline or L'Oreal that doesn't do that at the drugstore. Matter of fact, comment below if you'd like me to try to match this from a drugstore. If so, maybe I'll go do that. Oops. Okay, I should have used a brush. But anyway, there's the basic look. What do y'all think? What do you think? Do you like it? I guess we'll have to look it up and see. Does it have its... You know what's interesting? Oh, it probably was there, but I probably just didn't bring it with me here. What's the price? So you have to ask yourself, is it worth that price? And am I going to go down there and get these little brushes? Where did they go? Did they go in my shoe? Did they go under my shoe? I don't... Uh-oh. Y'all, I just found vomit. I'm not laughing. One of my doggies threw up. I guess I need to go so I can go clean that up. Okay, does anybody have any suggestions on that? What is your favorite vomit cleaner? I use, first of all, I soak up any excess water with paper towels. And I literally put on a shoe so I can stand on it with my full weight. That's the one time your weight is actually worth a good thing when you're overweight. Because it's like, okay, because now I am going to have to, that's the second time I've dropped this. I'm going to have to soak that back up, and my weight will pull that back up into the paper towel if I do it that way. The second thing is, I use one of these little dog enzyme. It's for when these accidents happen, when they have a poo or a vomit or whatever they do. It just makes me sick to know that, no pun intended, that they were up here. It was probably Velvet, threw up. She came up, made something, and threw it up. And then ate it, because it's not there, it's just a stain. I don't know how long it's been there yet. Well, probably this morning, because I noticed I'm in this room a lot. This office is where I work, and it's also where I come to film or read or whatever. So it must be just this morning, I hope. Anyway, so I spray some enzyme on it, and then I spray Lysol. I mean, a lot of Lysol to kill any germs. Not that I think they have a lot of germs, but, you know, you just need to. So anyway, well, I'm going to go clean that up and also blend this out. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll be talking to you again soon. Please, if you have not already, like and subscribe this video. It does help me with YouTube. And more importantly, go over to my other channel. I need to rebrand where I put a link to that, you know, all the time, my Pure Bible channel. Because we are going to start some devotions. And then after the first of the year, I've already showed this in another video, but we are going to use this, the Daily Walk Bible. It's just a little paperback if you want to get it. It's $10. Or you can just follow along. I'll make it where you don't have to do that. But it's always good to have your Bible with you. And a notebook and pen, and your highlighters if you want to, whenever we do devotions or Bible studies on my Pure Bible channel. I hope you're having a good Christmas season. And comment below what's going on with you. And I love you guys. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.